Hi everyone, Astronaut Sam here for one of our first training exercises to become an astronaut. So this begins the first exercise in our astronaut training. Are you ready to become an astronaut? I am too. I'm only an intern with NASA currently, so I am still learning. But for our first activity, one thing we learn about astronauts and what they have to go through in training is that they have to do physical activity and tests that show that they have strong muscles and bones. Because when you're in space, you have reduced gravity. That's something we've talked about in class before. It's not the same gravity we feel on Earth. Sometimes the gravity is less and more in different places, which means you have to keep your bones and muscles healthy and strong. So in reduced gravity environments, muscles and bones can become weak. So NASA works with their astronauts to prepare them with strength training. Are you ready for our first day of strength training? All right, for today's astronaut training tasks, here's my challenge to you. Can you do 10 push-ups? 10 push-ups. 10 push-ups, that's a lot. And 10 full body squats. I'm gonna show you each, and I'm gonna complete the training too, and you can tell me how you do, okay? First, we're gonna start with the squats. So one thing when you're doing a full body squat, this is my astronaut suit, is that you want your feet to be hips distance apart. So your feet should be right underneath your hips. So see how my legs make 2 straight lines down. Next, I'm gonna put my hands on my hips to help me for when I'm squatting. I'll show you on the side what this looks like. So when you squat down, your knees come straight out, and you hold your body down, and you come back up. So I'm gonna show you sideways. So here my feet, they're hips distance apart. And just like Teacher Maurice teaches us in dance class, we wanna have a strong back. So when we come down for the squat, keeping our back flat, not rounding over like that, keeping it nice and strong, coming down and back up. So you ready? We're gonna do 10 of those. Let's all count together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you're breathing. It's important to use your breath when you're doing physical exercise. Next, we're gonna do 10 push-ups. I'm gonna show you from the front. My arms are going right underneath my shoulders. I'm stepping my feet all the way back to where I have a flat back in a flat, straight line. If I turn sideways, you can see my body is shaped a little bit better. So, hands are under shoulders, back is flat. So to do 10 push-ups, we want to make sure our arms go out on the sides of us. So I'm going to go, or on the sides of our body. So here we go, 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, don't forget to breathe, 9, and 10. Whew. It is hard work training to be an astronaut. And what I've learned is that NASA has their astronauts do that at least 3 times a day. So my challenge to you, can you do 10 more squats and 10 more push-ups today? Can you do 2 times 20 each? Can't wait to hear. Logging off, over and out.